So first off here, I'm just gonna take my diffuse color down to black. Now here, I'm just gonna increase the gain here and see here what happens. We get a slight shift here on the sides here, you can see. Let's set this cone angle up here quite considerably, we can see here. So this one is essentially simulating like velvet or a powder type effect. You can see here, you can use a color to simulate a color. We can also insert here a color into the Fuzz parameter, like so. And in my case here, this color here is essentially coming here from my texture map here. That looks like this. So you can see how it's picking up the colors from the map there when I enable it. If I take this down, you can see here. So yeah, this is something that you would probably use when you simulate fabric, just to get a bit extra roll off onto your asset when it comes to making it a bit more velvety and almost like a fine hairs or something that picks up colors. In the next episode, we're gonna take a look at the subsurface component. If you wanna support my channel, consider dropping a comment in one of the videos with information of upcoming episodes you wanna see from Meshmen Studio. See you in the channel, bye bye!